What if your messages never sat on a central server in the first place? That is the idea behind VoidComms. Over the weekend, we sat down with Danny and got a proper look at what he's building, and this is not just another messaging app. Most platforms still work the same way. You send a message, it goes through a central server, it gets stored somewhere, and then you just trust that nothing goes wrong. VoidComms is trying to flip that model on its head. The whole idea is direct encrypted messaging and secure file transfer without a readable central server copy sitting in the middle. So instead of your messages, files, and sensitive information living on somebody else's system, the aim is simple: less stored data, less exposure, less trust in the middle, and far more control over what actually happens to your communication. And that matters. Because right now, people are sending private messages, personal documents, business files, approvals, and sensitive information through systems that quietly keep everything. VoidComms is being built around the opposite idea: communicate directly, keep it secure, and leave behind as little as possible. When Danny walked us through it over the weekend, that was the part that really stood out. If there is no readable central server copy sitting there, then there is a lot less to leak, a lot less to scrape, and a lot less waiting around to become a problem later. That is a massive shift, and if this gets built out properly, it is a lot bigger than just another messenger. It becomes a cleaner, safer way to handle sensitive communication online. We'll be covering more on VoidComms soon, including the demos, the architecture, and where this could go next. So if you want to follow this project as it develops, make sure you subscribe and keep your eye on this one, because VoidComms could turn into something very interesting.